Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this console table from ChooChoo. Well, here we go. It's a nice little end table here. One thing I forgot, a couple things. It does have these white pads that you can put on and cover the screws. I kind of like the exposed screws. I think it looks kind of nice. I'm just going to leave it like that. Nice and sturdy table. Looks pretty decent. Another thing that it does have is this little anchoring thing. So it has a screw hole right here. And you could put that, screw that into there, through there, and then like screw this into the wall, and that way it couldn't fall over. So if you have little ones around the house, it's a good idea to have that anchored. It's pretty sturdy, but just in case. So that being said, this is kind of a nice looking piece and easy build, not difficult at all. The screws were a little bit of trouble for me. I just didn't want to cross thread them though, so just jiggle them around and you're good to go. But a good looking piece here. Thanks for watching this unboxing videos, my friends. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.